beautiful awaited today on the 3rd of November 2022. And actually, what is the address here?
Satamakatu 5.
Yeah, Satamakatu 5. But it's the Kruunvuorenkatu side, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah, this is Kruunvuorenkatu side. Unfortunately, the stick is A doesn't have it, but B has it. Has a Siemens, which is filmed before.
Yeah.
We can also check if it's the same code, but it's already filmed before several times. But we can have the code hopefully if somebody wants to film it.
Yeah.
Yes, here in Katajanokka, Scotland, taking its sports books in Finland. And it has these 5% markers. Beautiful edition.
Yeah. It's too slow, yeah.
It's too slow. But it has, these handles are the same as on.
Yeah. Yeah. It's rubber cycle.
It's an old style bench, but a deep corner.
Yeah.
I put here. It's custom. I built in 2001. Turned 20 years old in last year, 2002. Probably early 2001. The Silver is V1K 3284. Rare for 2001.
Yeah.
Gonna be inspected in the next year, 2023. But it sure is too slow.
Yeah.
It's a working full-indicator. Well, it is very beautiful.
Yeah.
And I love this combination of wood and turquoise color. Turquoise, or it's like turquoise green.
Yeah. They are not going to use the elevator, of course.
No.
It's too slow. You don't want to use it.
No. But it's still a lot better than Amslift.
Yeah.
Much better. This is a different world. Even though it's this.
Yeah.
But Amslifts are also slow.
Yeah.
No, they're still like 100 times better.
Mm.
And also valuable because it's 2001 and this model is rare.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, due to the speed, I think one drive will be enough here.
Yeah.
It's almost 4 minutes long.
Yeah. Inspected by Juha Inspected, maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun
Yes. Had a full one, but I could have been green.
Yeah.
I think it's the same type of bench as some antique elevators.
Yeah.
Then especially complete one. They copied one.
Yeah. That's
That's it, thank you.